Okay ji, Assalamu alaikum. This is Anan Iftikhar and I welcome you again. But today I'm going to share one of the programs that I've written in Python, and this is basically called Rock Paper Scissors game. It's a very well known game, so I thought I should be programming it because I had to practice my Python skills. And this is the code that I've written, the whole code and everything. It includes a lot of if then statements and took me some 2 hours, more than 2 hours I would rather say, but yeah, for a beginner like me it's a lot of time, but I had to take a lot of time to debug the code because I was doing it on my own without any external aid, not much of it of course. So let us run the program and see how the game works. So I am running it. Here we go. Here is the first prompt. It welcomes me and asks me to enter my name. So I am entering my name of the player. So there are two players in this game, myself and the computer I'm going to play with. So let's see who wins, by the way. So there we go. Thank you. Now it says that type OK to check the rules. Okay. And here are the rules of the game. That's it. So it says that please type let's play to begin. Okay, let's play. Mr. Computer, let's see who wins. Okay, so here it is. It says that when prompted, pick a choice from R for rock, S for scissors, and P for paper. So you have to do it 6 times, and whosoever wins more games out of these 6 wins the whole bout. So I'm going to choose papers for the first, and rock for the second game, scissors for third, papers again, rock again, and finally scissors. So here we are. You can see it says that you both have tied. Computer won 0 games and you won only 0 games. So it says that we both have tied, and to end the program we have to write end. Thanks for playing. So I'm going to try again and see if we can bring some results. So I'm going to run the game again, and this time I'm going to add the name of our Prime Minister, that is Imran Khan, and see if he can win against the computer. So okay, and let's play. I've gone through all the rules. So I am going to pick rock in the first game, paper in the second, P for paper of course, S for scissors in the third, P for paper in the fourth, and rock in the fifth, and finally paper in the last one. So let's see who wins. You both have tied. Computer won 1 games and you won only 1 game. So we have tied again indeed. Giving it a last try and see if we can still get a result. This time I'm going to give the name, and that is of course me. So let me try again. Hanan. Okay, let's play. Yeah, paper for first, rock for second, scissor for third, paper for fourth, rock for fifth, and scissors for sixth. Okay, so I have won the bout. You have won the bout. The computer won only 1 games and you won 2 games. So please type N to exit the program, and it said thanks for playing. So I just thought I should share some of my Python practice sessions with you. It's a fun language. I actually learned it while I was pursuing my data science specialization from IBM, but yeah, it's a good thing. You have to actually keep on practicing your basic Python skills, and this is one of that. So thank you very much. Learn this language as much quicker as you can, because the future is to be all about programming. That's what we have, and if we don't know the programming, we'll be lagging behind. Thanks a lot. Take care. See you soon. Allah Hafiz.